Beauflor Resilient Flooring is one of the most extraordinary and fastest growing flooring products available. Its ability to blend beauty, unlimited patterns, and unparalleled durability prove it's not just another flooring product. It captures the essence and textures of wood flooring, ceramic tiles, and slate with advanced photographic technology that replicates natural materials. Its performance and value have made it a favored flooring product in the recreational vehicle, manufactured housing, and the multifamily housing industries. Using state-of-the-art technology, Beauflor has become one of the world's leading producers of rolled resilient flooring and LVT flooring. They have invested heavily in the technical aspects of the process to improve product benefits. Built in 2016 with a commitment to technology, efficiency, and the environment, the Beauflor factory, located in White, Georgia, is one of only 2 facilities in the world capable of producing heterogeneous vinyl up to 5 meters wide. With the manufacturing facility now producing product in the United States, Beauflor has streamlined their processes, resulting in reduced costs for buyers. The Beauflor product stands up to wear, stains, extreme temperatures, and even compares favorably with high-quality ceramic flooring. Beauflor's surface is an engineered composite, which is highly resistant to tears, rips, and gouges. The vinyl rolls are available for residential and commercial applications in a variety of widths. Vinyl rolls offer a variety of different designs. Whether you would like the look of a stone tile, a wood, or uniprint, our rolled resilient flooring or planks replicate it all with a great detail for a natural look.